Sellers are losing big money. This is happening across the region from downtown Vancouver to Surrey, Langley and beyond. In this video, I will break down what's driving these losses, how over-leveraging and risky decisions have left people stuck, and what's this mean for the future of our real estate market. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jas Oberoi and I'm a real estate agent, investor and a serial entrepreneur. I went from working as a server to owning multi-million-dollar worth of real estate portfolio in just 8 years. In my career, I have helped hundreds of my clients buy over 900 million worth of real estate using tried and tested strategies, and I am here to share those tips with you on this channel. Right now, some sellers across Metro Vancouver are struggling to sell properties without taking significant losses. This isn't just about the market slowing down, it's about decisions made during the real estate boom. When the market was hot, many buyers took on a significant debt to buy properties, assuming prices would continue to rise. Some buyers even purchased multiple pre-sale units they could barely afford, confident they would see big returns on it. But with interest rates rising and market cooling, those assumptions have proven risky. Number one, how over-leveraging has created a crisis. Over-leveraging has become a major issue. Many buyers stretch their finances to the limit, taking on massive mortgages and relying on the expectation of ever-increasing property values. Some even speculated on the pre-sale condos, looking in purchasing at high prices with the intention of flipping them for a profit. But as the market cooled, the financial realities changed. Appraisals for those condos are coming below the original purchase price. And with the higher interest rates, monthly mortgage payments have skyrocketed from the condos were first purchased. For many people, this has created a situation where they can't sell without taking a loss, can't afford the increased payments and are left with few options. During the peak of the market, some investors became overconfident, purchasing multiple properties in an effort to maximize profits. They treated real estate like a guaranteed way to make money, ignoring the risks that come with overextending financially. And when the market shifted, these buyers found themselves stuck with the properties they couldn't sell or rent for a profit. This has led to increased inventory and more competition among sellers, which is driving prices down further. Forget about profiting from these pre-sales. Many of these investors didn't even have the financial capacity to close it. That's why you see these people losing their deposit. They bought not just one, but have purchased more than 5 units without the ability to close even one. We have come across people who have bought entire floor as a pre-sale just to flip it by the completion, and like you guessed, they are stuck now. Not only they are losing their deposits, but when buyers can't hold on to their properties, it creates a ripple effect. Many of them are listing below market value just to offload, which puts downward pressure on prices for everyone else. This also leaves developers scrambling to resell units in a slower market, further contributing to the downward trend in the prices. What this means for buyers and sellers? For buyers, this is an opportunity. With more inventory and less competition, you have more room to negotiate and find properties at a better prices. For sellers, the key is to price your property realistically. Overpricing in this market will only lead to frustration and longer days on market. If you're holding on a pre-sale property that drops in value, renting it out could be a smart strategy until the market stabilizes. What's next for Metro Vancouver real estate? Looking ahead, we can expect continued downward pressure on prices in the short term. Rising interest rates and increased inventory will keep the market in state of adjustment. But over the long term, Vancouver remains one of the most desirable places to live in Canada, and that will ultimately support the real estate market. The important takeaway in this is that real estate is a long-term game. If you're buying, selling, or investing, make sure your decisions are based on sound financial planning, not just speculation. Thank you so much for watching. If you're in Surrey, Langley, or anywhere in Vancouver area and want to chat about your real estate goals, I would love to hear from you. You can book a coffee session with me with the link in the description. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care.